Hello there, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In today's video, we're going to delve into the world of maintenance software. You'll learn how to select the right system that perfectly fits your unique needs, and understand why it's not just about keeping reliable records. We'll explore the core features of quality maintenance software and discuss its significant role in enhancing productivity, minimizing downtime, and extending the lifespan of your assets. Stay tuned for an enlightening journey through the ins and outs of maintenance software. Choosing the right maintenance software is a pivotal decision for any business. It's not just about having a system that's reliable and keeps detailed records of work orders. It's about finding the perfect system that's tailor-made for your unique maintenance needs. And that's where UpKeep comes in. We're here to guide you through the ins and outs of maintenance software, from understanding its basic concept to exploring its different types, attributes, and features that make a quality maintenance software. So, what exactly is maintenance software? It's an application that works hand in hand with your maintenance team, serving as a centralized platform that allows them to efficiently manage, track, and schedule various maintenance activities. This includes equipment inspections, repairs, preventive maintenance, and work orders. By digitizing and automating maintenance processes, this software enhances productivity, minimizes downtime, and extends the lifespan of critical assets. It empowers organizations to proactively maintain their assets, improve operational efficiency, and make data-driven decisions for effective maintenance planning. Now, let's delve into the key purposes of a maintenance software program. It's all about reducing downtime, maintaining safety and compliances, controlling costs, managing employees and processes, and coordinating preventative maintenance. A good maintenance software system should have certain essential features. It should provide asset management, data reporting, simple automation, a preventative maintenance framework, predictive maintenance capabilities, and work order fulfillment abilities. Asset management is crucial, especially when you have expensive assets like equipment and facilities that need careful management. Data reporting is equally important, especially when you're trying to scale your business. Simple automation eliminates time-consuming tasks, while a preventative maintenance framework collects data necessary for a preventative maintenance plan. Predictive maintenance uses sensors to monitor a company's assets and minimize problems in the workplace. And finally, work order fulfillment should be easy and simple to understand and customize. Now, you might be wondering what industries use maintenance software. Well, not all industries need it, but some major ones that do include shipping fleet and logistics, agriculture, manufacturing and production, food and beverage, and power and energy. Depending on a company's needs, there are 4 types of maintenance software to choose from. These include a computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS, which is a good all-around system for most companies. Then there's the Enterprise Asset Management Software, or EAM, which is ideal for organizations that need a high level of insight into their assets. Work order management software is perfect for small companies that need to streamline their work order process. And lastly, inventory management software is great for managing, tracking, and maintaining inventory. When choosing your maintenance software program, there are a few things to consider. Make sure it can integrate with your current systems and with physical products like sensors. Mobile accessibility is also important, as is ease of use. Remember, the solution should always work for the company, not the other way around. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to maintenance software. Remember, the right software can make all the difference in your maintenance and reliability efforts. Choose wisely. Thank you for watching this video. We've covered the importance of selecting the right maintenance software, its core features, and the key considerations when choosing one. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For further information, visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Choose wisely and make the most of your maintenance efforts with UpKeep.